I bet you no one else has played Cigar Box Mario jumping on the Cigar Box guitar.
I don't know.
Definitely the first in 2020 at least.
I don't know. There's a lot of people. What? What?
You don't need to film.
I'm not filming. What are you doing?
Just playing the Cigar Box guitar. And I figured I could do the Mario jumping sound. Going too high. Perfect! So it's right before the big B. Should do an instructional video on YouTube. Alright guys!
Yeah, go ahead,
Teach
do
you how
it.
to play
Go
Jumping
ahead.
Mario on the box guitar.
Teach us.
You take your slider, you put it on your finger, you place your slide on the third dot in, and then you stop your slide just before the large B.
What if their guitar cigar box doesn't have a B on it? Then what?
Then you stop your slide right at this bottom.
What if they don't
Right
have
before
that?
the bottom swirly.
What if they don't have that?
Then you stop your slide approximately halfway into the box.
All right.
And that is how you play Mario jumping. Now, you gotta make sure you get the speed right. Because if you go, that doesn't sound like Mario jumping. So if you go slow and then fast, or if that doesn't sound like Mario jumping. If you go fast and then slow, that doesn't sound like Mario jumping. You get just the right. If you go slow the whole time, that doesn't sound like Mario jumping. If you go fast the whole time, that doesn't sound like Mario jumping. That's probably a different character in Mario. That's what their jump sound that I don't remember. But this is Mario jumping. That was a little slow. And you gotta lift off and you gotta put your hand down to stop the sound.
Good job.
And that is how you play Mario jumping.
Now you gotta play that and then that.
Okay.
Play it on.
I was doing it a little fast there a second ago. There's definitely, you can hear all the notes in there. I'm going too high now. There. Right on the 5. In the logo of the BBG. You have to get this exact